The simulation demonstrates the central elastic collision of two spheres. The help section provides detailed theory about the simulation. The parameter m1 denotes the mass of the red sphere. The parameter m2 denotes the mass of the blue sphere. The parameter v1 denotes the velocity of the red sphere. The parameter v2 denotes the velocity of the blue sphere. The parameter SR, simulation rate, denotes the rate of motion simulation. We observe the central elastic collision of two spheres. The velocity and momentum vectors of each sphere are displayed. In the results table, the equations and values are shown for velocities, momenta, kinetic energies before and after the collision. The velocities after the collision are calculated based on the principles of conservation of momentum and conservation of kinetic energy. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can hide the results table. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the problems section, problems corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve these problems and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.